And we're going to make rainmakers. Now this is what it's going to look like on the inside. We're going to have a tube with little, that's so funny. We're going to have a tube with little markers and then things inside to make the noise. All right. Now these rain sticks. Yes, Henrik?
And it's going to look a little different on the outside.
It's going to look a little bit more like our rain stick here. But that's what's happening on the inside of our rain stick. Yeah, so we're going to take, we're actually going to take our toilet paper tubes today because I got 3 of those. So each of us can have a toilet paper tube. We're going to work on it right here.
I'm going to have this one.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have this one.
Perfect. And each of us are going to get 2 of these bow ties. 1, 2. Auntie, why don't you work on it right here? 1, 2. Oops.
Bow tie.
And 1, 2 for me. You may find that you need to take off your gloves, but you work however you are most comfortable.
Hello, I am Mr. Toilet Paper Tube.
Henrik has put his bow tie onto his rainmaker. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bow tie and a very small piece of paper on each side of my bow tie like this. Dink. I'll help you with that, yeah. Dink. And I'm going to stick my bow tie inside my toilet paper tube. I know, because like this thing, this rainmaker had little pieces for the little lines for everything to get caught up on.
Beads?
So we got to put in these little lines, these little stops. There we go. Can you see?
What are those things?
So I put 2 bow ties in.
What are these things?
These, oh, my poor hands, yeah.
Why?
I have eczema.
Why only 2 bow ties?
Well, because they're only so long. So, would you like help putting them in, or did you want to try on your own, Henrik?
Help.
Okay, now here's the important thing about the bow ties. In order for it to get to work correctly, you've got to put 1 bow tie in vertically and 1 in horizontally. That way, that way we don't just let the beans go through.
I kind of left on your hand.
That's okay, honey. That's okay. All right. Grown-ups, as you can tell, you might need to assist your kiddos.
You can do it.
All right, I'm going to pause here so that I can help my 2 friends get caught up. Okay, friends, we are back. Everybody has their tubes ready to rock and roll. Now we're each going to take 1 coffee filter. You can use coffee filters or you can use wax paper.
Can I put it in here?
Yeah, so what you're going to do is you're going to wrap the bottom.
Or paper?
I'm going to wrap the bottom like this and then put tape around it. Okay? You want to do that? Or do you want me to do it? Okay, you do it. You are working so hard using your gloves. Can you get one? You got it?
Can you help me?
You wrap it around. I'll help you get tape. Can you wrap it around like this?
There
you go.
And how do I get tape?
I have tape for you.
I mean, how do I do it around?
Turn it upside down.
Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetie. Okay, keep wrapping that around.
Like this?
Keep wrapping that around.
Like this?
You're going to take it like this and hold it on the bottom and just close your hand and it'll wrap up.
Like this?
Yep, and then wrap it up on the other sides.
There you go. Like this?
You got it.
Like this?
And now put your tube back in, Astrid.
There.
It fell out. You're going to need to add more tape. I should pre-cut tape next time, friends. I will remember that. And I'm going to put my tape around the bottom here. Work a little smarter, not harder here. But you do what you like. We're just trying to get this so that it covers the bottom. You got it. You got it.
How about tape?
Yeah. I will help you with tape.
Also, Mom, I don't think I'm cold anymore.
Good. I'm glad we warmed you up. Oh, Astrid, you worked so hard on that, and it looks so good. All right, there you
What about
go.
this?
I will help you.
This looks so cool. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetheart. All right, so now we take this, and I'm just going to help you put right there, and then you close it around.
Okay.
Deek, deek.
I close around the other side.
Yeah,
I
just
want
keep wrapping.
this to be at the top.
Good. Okay, so now I think we're ready to add some beads. Beads. I have beads. You can use beans. You can use rice. You don't want to take too many. Just take a small handful. Yeah, and the smaller the beads are, the better, because you want them to be able to fit into the holes. Oh my goodness.
I don't want to.
Oh, don't turn it over.
Whoops.
Henrik, you're shaking them out. What's going on? We need to put beads in so then we can cover it on the other side and have it
Okay, this one can't fit.
okay, perfect. Put it back. And then when you're done, you can take another coffee filter and put it over the top, just like you did before, and tape it. Henrik, can you move your body over there? Thank you. And move it, and tape it around. I'm gonna do. All right, now we have connected both sides. We've got a nice little rainmaker sound happening. And now it's time to decorate. So I got you an A for Astrid. I got me a K for Kat. I got you an H for Henrik, so we can tell ours apart.
A.
Ta-da! And then we can put whatever stickers on top we like.
A for L.
A for L. That's silly. I think I'm going to put some hearts on mine. Dink, dink, dink.
Stars on mine.
Some stars for you.
And some stars for me.
Oh, I love it. There's
There we
princesses
go.
and puppies.
Look at.
Wow, Astrid, that's beautiful. A big letter A. I've got some puppies. Put a puppy on mine.
Star.
Puppy.
Star.
Yeah. Would you like a star?
Pink star.
Okay, you can grab a pink star.
I can't do it.
Oh, would you like help?
Uh-huh.
Okay. There you go.
Pink
Whoops.
star.
There you go. You can use whatever stickers. If you've got extra time, you can even paint these. That would be fun. Right now, we're just covering in stickers, but you can decorate however you like. You could color it with pens. You can do any kind of thing. But if you roll it over, yeah, we'll paint ours after we're done singing. Okay. You can already hear that wonderful rain stick sound. Oh, Henrik, I love your choice of stars and your letter H.
I want 3 too.
Yeah, you'd like some more?
Yeah, 3.
3. 3 total?
I'm 3.
You are 3. Is that why you want 3 stars?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. One. Another?
Because otherwise your head is in the way. Oh, yeah, one more star. Here you go. Doesn't that sound wonderful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rain, 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 rain.
That's what we're going to be singing about.
Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
You know it.